Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches and all over review of the new Catrice limited edition collection called Hop Hop Hooray. It is a super cute spring and Easter inspired collection. The bottles are just to die for. They all have little bunny ears. There are 5 new colors as well as I think 4 or 5 other bottles that were already in their collection that they have given some bunny ears as well. But I just picked up the new shades only. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family. But let's just start off with the first color, which is super Easter and spring proof already. This one is a beautiful light yellow. It is definitely like a baby chick kind of color, super cute and super wearable as well. I think this is one of those colors that you can wear all year round and also even combine it in like a fall nail art or something like that. This one is called Lemon Cake, and oh, just for the record, all of these bottles I have purchased myself. They contain 5 milliliters and they are €1.99, or at least that is the pricing here in the Netherlands where I'm from. Prices may vary depending where you live, and also it might vary on if you are able to get them or not, because not every single country that sells Catrice cosmetics runs the limited edition collections as well. So even I had to do like a short search throughout a couple of different drugstores that sell Catrice here, and it even took me a little longer than usual to get my hands on these, since they were not sold online at my local drugstore's web store either. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for them. They should be in stores as we speak. But yeah, it really depends on where you live, whether or not you'll be able to get your hands on these. But back to this polish, because it was actually not bad for that first coat already. And by the way, I am swatching on one of my long nails and one of my short nails as well. I was just like, okay, I had a tear in my middle fingernail. I have explained the whole story already, so I'm gonna skip that right now. But since that is a shorter nail, let's just take like some use out of it and just swatch on a shorter nail as well, just to show you guys what a polish looks on a shorter and long nail, because they are quite different, and sometimes a polish can be super opaque on a shorter nail and looking more sheer on a long one. So that is what I'm doing in this video. Let me know what you think about this concept and if you would like to see me do this more often, because I think it's really helpful to see colors on different like shapes and sizes of nails as well. But yeah, next color already is called Pink Blossom. Definitely one of my favorites. You guys know me, I really love my pink polishes, and this is just a beautiful girly, I'd say a little bit of like a lighter Barbie pink color, but still really gorgeous. And I am going to swatch this with just one single coat, and you will definitely see what I mean with how polishes look differently on different nail lengths and just shapes and sizes and so on, because I really feel like on my shorter nail the polishes tend to be more opaque faster. I think that is just because you have more product on the brush for less amount of nail surface, I'd say. So I always feel like I apply a little bit more to shorter nails than I do to longer nails. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just my way of application and my technique, but I felt like it looked pretty decent on my short nail as well. But yeah, as I mentioned, just one coat for this pink color, and I'd say definitely 95% opaque already. So yeah, if you want to get your hands on some of these, definitely grab a couple. This pink one is just really cute. It isn't like a super unique color, but pretty fun to have if you don't have it in your nail polish collection so far. The third color is actually really cute as well. Like all of the colors in this collection are super cute, super spring, like fun, pastel, and just so easy to wear. Like, I kid you not, everyone, no matter what your skin tone is, you can wear these colors or make a really cute like spring or Easter design or anything like that. But the third color is called Spring Fling, and I have compared this one like off camera to the minty color that is in the regular Catrice Nails collection from their spring summer 2022 update, and this one is actually just a hinge lighter than the regular Nails collection polish that they have just released like a month ago or something. So yeah, if you're curious to know whether or not you should get this one or the other, this one is a little lighter. The regular Nails collection one is a little darker. If you don't really feel like I need two minty green kind of colors, just go for whichever one you prefer, to be honest. The quality is still really good. I am applying a second coat because this one was a little bit more like not super sheer, like I think it's just a little bit more sheer and a little bit more patchy with the first coat, that I wasn't completely satisfied with how opaque it looked, so I just applied a second coat and it was perfectly fine. Here again you can see it also looks so cute on shorter nails. I do get a ton of comments on my videos, but also on my Instagram, like, why don't you apply a false nail to the shorter nail because now your nails aren't the same length, la di la. And I'm just like, well, first of all, I don't feel like it. I don't want to apply a false nail or polygel or anything like that to my natural nail plate because it already got a tear in the nail bed. Fortunately, it has grown out already, but I just don't want to damage my nail any further because it is only like nail bed. I don't have free edge or anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it grow out, just be all natural, because that is pretty much what I am about. I only work with natural nails so far, so yeah, that is pretty much what I have to say on comments about that. Just live and let live, I'd say, and I'm just making the best or the most out of it while doing swatches like this on longer and short nails. So yeah, I really hope you like that. But the fourth color I'm swatching here already is called Lavender Bouquet. Definitely a soft pastel lavender color. One of my favorites as well. I love purpley lavender kind of tones, so if this is something you'd like, you can pick this up for just a little under €2 as well. I do feel like they aren't like super inexpensive because you pay like 66% of the regular Nails collection nail polish price, which is around $2.99, but the Nails ones have like 10.5 milliliters and this one only has 5 milliliters. So I feel like these are a little bit more expensive if you like do the math and compare it to the regular Nails collection polishes. But other than that, it is limited edition and they look really cute, so why not just get them? Then the fifth and final color from this limited edition collection is called Soft Breeze. I have seen some people talking about this color saying it is a super blue color, but in my opinion it definitely is a periwinkle color with like more purple in it than you'd expect on that first glance. But I've compared it to a couple of other like newer periwinkle colors that I have in my collection, and when I compare it to, for example, a sky blue, this one is super purple periwinkle. So I definitely say this one is more on the purpley periwinkle side than the true blue color. But yeah, other than that, a really gorgeous color, very nicely opaque as well. And I don't really have anything negative to say about this color or the entire collection so far. They are really cute. They are a little bit more expensive, like if you like weigh the amount of product that you get and the price that they are a bottle. But yeah, other than that, I really like them, are really cute. I would definitely recommend trying a couple of them if you're feeling like grabbing some of the colors or maybe all 5 colors yourself. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and yeah, I really hope you're keeping safe and healthy and all that jazz, and I'd love to see you guys in my next video.